How to remove steering wheel airbag on Ford Focus 2 in just 7 easy steps. Required tools: flat blade screwdriver, 10mm wrench or socket. 1. First disconnect the battery terminals and wait 5 to 10 minutes before removing the airbag. 2. Adjust the steering wheel so that it is as low and as close to you as possible. 3. Insert the key in the ignition to unlock the steering wheel and then turn the steering wheel to the left to remove the plastic on top. Then turn the steering wheel to the right to remove the plastic on the right side and then remove it. There are 3 holes where you need to insert the flat blade screwdriver to unclip the airbag. Five. Unclip the airbag using a flat blade screwdriver. 'All you have to do is insert the screwdriver and press its handle down to remove the clip from the airbag. Here I will explain and show you more clearly how to remove the airbag using a flat blade screwdriver. Press on the flat blade screwdriver to release the clamp. Do this for all 3 holes to release the airbag from the steering wheel. Six. Disconnect that cable by pulling it outwards. Seven. Disconnect the airbag plug by pressing on the 2 clips on the sides. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.